So just apply to the fingers and then all along the facial area, nice and light, not forgetting the neck, and also around down by the collarbone here as well. Really applying that to those areas here. So where our collarbone is, we have some indentations, and just above, you just want to give those a few gentle presses, and we're just getting the lymphatics going here. And then with our fingers, I'm going to take 2 fingers here from the sort of the bottom of the ear. Just want to glide down very nice and light down that big SCM muscle down to the collarbone. Just getting lymphatic drainage ready. We'll just do this a few times, and then on the other side, just taking some fingers and just gliding down the SCM muscle down to the collarbone. And one last time. And then from the collarbone, we're taking our fingers here and we're very gently just tilting our head and just lifting up in an upwards motion with our fingers here. Just a really nice, light, delicate massage. We want to be lifting up, not dragging anything down. So lifting all the way up. And again, because we've applied a great product, it's nice and smooth. We're not dragging at the skin. On the other side. Now, if you do have slightly more wrinkly skin, you can always place your hand as an anchor and just lift up like so, so you're not dragging or pulling, and then you can work on the other side as well. All the way to the jawline and working along. And then from the chin, we're just placing our thumbs under the chin, our fingers above, and we're just gently gliding along the jawline here, where we have plenty of lymph nodes. Moving everything again in a lovely outwards motion. And then slowly coming up with the hook of the fingers here, coming up and across. From the chin towards as far as you can to that cheekbone and moving along and across here. Lower part of the face. And then just taking our fingers, just lifting upwards towards the nostrils along those smile lines and potential marionette lines. Lifting upwards here and then across. Again, this is nice and light, so you don't want to be too heavy-handed. And then just coming along, again with the fingers, almost like in a scissor-like shape, towards that cheekbone area. And on the other side, and you can do this morning or evening, or you can do it both actually. You perhaps a nice facial morning, nourishing oil in the morning and a nice evening one. Going towards that cheekbone area. And then with our ring finger, because we have a lighter touch, we're just gliding now between the eyes down by the side of the nose. Heading towards the side nostrils here. Nice glide. And then under the cheekbone towards the ears. Now, I've been a facialist for the last 8 years and I'm really passionate about skincare. So if you want to comment down below, tell me if there's any other facial massages, lymphatic drainage, fascia work, or face yoga you'd like me to share with you in my next videos. Also tell me where you're from as well. And then with the ring finger, we're just working under the eyes towards the temples. And this is a really light, feather-light touch. Skin around the eyes is very fine. Heading towards the temples here. And then taking our fingers as a hook, lifting up, just coming up towards the cheekbone and up towards the temples. So just under the eye, but just sort of a bit further down, closer to the cheekbone area. So we're not dragging or pulling. Again, everything we're doing is a very light, gentle massage. And then just massaging the temples. We hold a lot of tension in our face, and sometimes we end up with those fine lines and wrinkles where we don't realise, but we're scrunching our face, perhaps if we're annoyed or we're angry or just in frustration sometimes. So just relaxing the face can really help. Taking our crook of our, literally our hook of our hands, and just working along now, just above the eyebrow area here. Working in an outwards motion. Keeping the shoulders nice and relaxed. And then just with the fingers from between the eyes, all along, up from the forehead towards the hairline here. And then just slowly working our way along the forehead. Now we're working vertically, so at the moment we're working against any of those horizontal fine lines and wrinkles on the forehead area. Again, really nice and light. There's not much fat padding in this area, so you don't want to be too heavy-handed. Otherwise you can also sort of almost graze your forehead, so just very light here. And then with our fingers, we're now interconnecting them, and we're just gently gliding very lightly, outwards motion on the forehead. And this is a feather-light touch, and what we're doing here is removing toxins and waste within the lymph. And we're moving it all the way from the center of the forehead towards the temples. And then with the ring finger just under the eyebrows towards the temples. Feather-light touch, very fine here. Under the eyes with the ring finger again. And then again pushing out from the cheek. Now I'm in my mid-50s and I've been doing these facial massage exercises, gosh, it must be for the last 20 years. And I really have found an improvement with skin texture as well as any sort of smoothing out fine lines and wrinkles. Lifting along, so we're coming in upwards and outwards motion here. Again, we want to be lifting everything up, not dragging anything down. Not forgetting the mouth, where you can end up with sort of slightly droopiness, so we want to slightly lift everything up here as well. Nice light feather touch, and then again thumb placed under the chin, fingers above, and we can end up with a lot of slackiness in this area if we've got any sort of toxins and waste overload. So moving everything along towards the ears. May want to swallow. All along there. And then we're just going to take our fingers and just very gently glide down the side of the ears here, where we have plenty of lymph nodes, and then behind the ears as well. Always like to finish off with lymphatic drainage. And then with one hand at a time, just gliding down that big SEM muscle down to the collarbone. And the same on the other side, down the big SEM muscle down to the collarbone. And then with the fingers, let's just massage just from the lobe of the ear all along the occipital bone, bottom of the head, top of the neck. And if you feel a little extra tender point, just give it a little extra massage out. And then when the fingers are touching again, just glide down SEM muscle to the collarbone and on the other side. And then from the chin all the way down where our beginning point is, those indentations just above our collarbone, if you can just give those a few gentle presses, this will release all the toxins and waste into the body ready for elimination. So I hope you'll join me on my next video. I'll just place another video here. And if you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing, liking and sharing as well. And remember, I do have some really great natural products down below if you'd like to check that out. And please comment down below. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Okay, bye.